Snagless design for network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, DSL, cable modems, patch panels and other high-performance networking applications. Snagless design protects clips when plugging and unplugging. Standard RJ45 connectors and unshielded twisted pair wires. Available in 10 colors to color code a network. Available in lengths up to 150 feet. Snagless design for network adapters, hubs, switches, routers, DSL, cable modems and patch panels. For fast Ethernet and Gigabit computer networks that require bandwidth-intensive voice, data, or video distribution applications. Meets all Cat6 TIA, EIA standards, and drastically reduces both impedance and structural return loss, SRL. The molded, snagless boot prevents unwanted cable snags during installation and provides extra strain relief. Top reviews from the United States. A brand name you can trust. After reading of people receiving a knockoff version of the cables to go patch cable from other vendors here, I decided to go with the Amazon.com store for my purchase. It cost more, but at least I received the advertised brand that was ordered and it works flawlessly. I was not about to run 100 feet of cable under a crawl space using a knockoff brand. Way too much work involved to deal with that.